After you create the Financial Consolidation and Close business process, the home page is the launch point for accessing your business process tasks. The Announcements panel displays your username and profile picture, and any system announcements entered by the service administrator. Use the Announcements panel to view and access your assigned tasks based on their status. The Work area on the home page displays cards and clusters that link you to each functional area of the business process to which you have access. 3 dots below an icon denotes a cluster that opens a group of cards. Administrators can create different navigation flows to customize the business process interface. Click Tasks to display the task work list, which includes all tasks for a selected schedule or template for a specified POV which you are authorized to view. You can easily filter tasks to display only the ones in which you are interested. Dashboards give you an overview to key information and let you enter, change, and save data. You can work with multiple forms or charts, enter or change data, and see the immediate effects in other forms, charts, and tiles in the dashboard. Use the Actions menu to edit dashboards. Infolets present a visually engaging overview of high-level, aggregated information, providing quick insights into data that guide your decisions and actions. Note that you can also navigate using the header tabs. Select Data to view and enter data in structured forms that an administrator has created. When you create an application, the system provides predefined forms, which can be modified by the service administrator and power users. If you have the proper permissions, you can edit forms. Service administrators and power users can create additional forms and folders as needed, and assign permissions. During a financial period, you may need to adjust data after it is entered or loaded into base-level entities. Consolidation journals provide an audit trail of changes made in the application and indicate which accounts, entities, and time periods are affected. Use the Actions menu to manage the approval process for consolidation journals. Use Enterprise Journals for the preparation and approval of manual journal entries for inclusion in the general ledger posting. Enterprise Journals provides an integrated solution with enterprise resource planning applications. Use Reports to view the library of available reports. Create reports using the embedded narrative reporting business process and open reports in different formats. Administrators can set up an approval process to transfer ownership of data, provide review control, and ensure data privacy. For the purpose of review, data is organized into approval units. An approval unit is the combination of data for a specific scenario, year, period, and entity. Select rules to view and launch pre-built calculation scripts to handle consolidation and translation. Use System View to manage configurable calculation rules and create on-demand rules. Use the Application cluster to view and manage your application. For example, the Application Overview shows the application properties and application statistics, such as the number of tasks, forms, rules, and approval hierarchies in your application. This is also where you can view and modify the dimensions used by the application, and use the Actions menu to import and export metadata, refresh the database, remove the application, and so forth. You can also use the Application cluster to manage the consolidation process, including ownership settings for your entity hierarchies. All system and custom activities for each step of the consolidation process are defined on the consolidation process screen. Use Task Manager to create and schedule tasks and task templates. Use Supplemental Data Manager to organize, update, edit, and manage supplemental data, which is a robust ad hoc data collection process useful for footnotes, disclosures, and supporting details. Use Enterprise Journals Manager to manage enterprise journals for the preparation and approval of manual journal entries. Use Application settings to control aspects of the application and the system. For example, you can enable application use for administrators or all users. Enable Generative AI, which enables the ability to automatically generate narrative summaries in intelligent performance management, and allows you to generate a detailed analysis for consolidation jobs using a consolidation setting called Consolidation Job Analytics. You can enable features during the application creation process, or at any time from the application configuration page. For example, you can enable your application to include intercompany data and track intercompany elimination. Enabling the ownership management feature allows you to assign ownership percentages and consolidation methods. Enabling enhanced organization by period gives you a more efficient and effective way to manage time-based organizational changes, as well as entities with multiple owners. You can load data via Data Exchange, which allows for direct connections to all data sources and complex mappings and validations. Use the Tools cluster to manage access control, create connections to other environments, set user preferences, and so forth. Data discovery enables you to review and analyze data details and history, and take appropriate action to improve performance and resolve issues. The Data Discovery main page displays the rules used for the process. The rules are read-only and cannot be modified. Click a rule to view its properties. Use settings to configure the types of data discovery. You can run data discovery from data forms or from Oracle Smart View for Office. For the selected data cell, the data discovery process generates notes on metadata information, error messages, and diagnostic suggestions. In addition, the process generates form grids based on data discovery rules and settings and the level of the cell. If you are a service administrator, you can view recommendations on how to optimize your application, such as running a configuration task or enabling a substitution variable. Use intelligent performance management, integrated directly in your application, to inform your planning decisions with predictive capabilities and accelerate insight discovery with financial pattern recognition. The Academy card provides links to a variety of resources about using the Financial Consolidation and Close business process. The Navigator icon opens the Navigator menu, which serves as a sitemap of the business process and displays links to all the business process pages to which you have access. You can run consolidations from business rules, any form that has the consolidation rule added to it, and from the predefined data status form. You can use Oracle Smart View for Office to view, import, manipulate, distribute, and share data from Financial Consolidation and Close using Microsoft Excel, Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.